was on my way. Somehow I lost connections. I ran out of songs to play. Came into town, a one-night stand. It looks like my plans fell through. Oh Lord, I'm stuck in Lodi again. Came in on a Greyhound, and I'll be walking out if I go. I was just passing through, maybe 7 months or more. Ran out of time, buddy. Looks like they took my friends. Oh Lord, I'm stuck in Lodi again. If I only had $1 for every song I sung, every time I had to sing while people sat there drunk, you know I would take the last train back to where I live. Oh Lord, I'm stuck in Lodi again. Oh Lord, I'm stuck in